Hi, everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm reviewing the Ninja AF150AMZ Air Fryer XL, 5.5 QT Ninja AF150AMZ Air Fryer XL, 5.5 QT capacity that can air fry, air roast, bake, reheat and dehydrate, with dishwasher safe, non-stick basket and crisper plate and a chef-inspired recipe guide, gray. About this item. XL capacity. With the 5.5 QT non-stick basket and crisper plate, you can save time by cooking up to 3 pounds of French fries or wings with ease. 5in1 versatile functionality, includes 5 versatile cooking programs, air fry, air roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. BPA-free, yes. Less fat, up to 75% less fat than traditional air frying methods. Tested against hand-cut, deep-fried French fries. Easy cleaning, both the basket and crisper plate are non-stick, easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Wide temperature range, 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit allows you to gently remove moisture from foods or quickly cook and crisp foods with convection heat. Dehydrate, create flat, chip-like dehydrated foods for fun, homemade snacks pounds. The combination of low fan speed and low temperature enables thorough dehydration. What's included? 1750 watt air fryer, 5.5 QT, non-stick basket, non-stick crisper plate and chef-inspired 20 recipe cookbook. Ninja AF150AMZ Air Fryer XL, 5.5 QT Pros, versatility, capable of air frying, air roasting, baking, reheating, and dehydrating. Ease of cleaning, comes with a dishwasher safe, non-stick basket, and crisper plate. Size, 5.5 quart capacity, suitable for cooking for a family. User-friendly, includes a chef-inspired recipe guide, making it easier for users to explore various recipes. Design, the taller basket design minimizes splatter on the heating element, keeping it cleaner and reducing the need for frequent cleaning. Performance, users report good results with steaks, chicken wings, and other foods using both air fry and air roast functions. If you prefer simplicity and easy maintenance, the Ninja could be more suitable. Review: I had the 4-quart years ago, before changing to a brand that has a removable heating element for easy cleaning. That brand sold its patent and now they are off the market, so I'm back to Ninja. The 5.5 quarter has a taller basket and because the food sits so low, farther away from the heating element, there is little to no splatter on the heating element and it remains clean. I cooked a steak at the recommended 390 for 20 minutes. It was a thick-cut ribeye and it took a very long time for well done, 35 minutes or so. At 20 minutes, it was tender and juicy, but pink on the inside. By 35 minutes, it was pretty dry. Next time, I'll do 250 at 30 minutes, and I think it will be perfection. The basket isn't very wide, so the ribeye fits snug, with no room to spare on each end. Update: today, I made chicken wings, and they were so good. I was able to fit 8 or 9 buffalo wings. I shook them about every 7 minutes, and they were just as good as I remember with my 4 QT Ninja. I like the taller basket in the 5.5 QT more. It may not fit as much food, but the splatter in the 4 QT builds up, is impossible to clean, and begins to smell after a couple of weeks because it never gets completely clean. Update: today, I cooked a ribeye well done at 360 degrees for 14 minutes. It was perfect and juicy. The cut wasn't as thick as the first one I tried. It was maybe 0. Update: number 1, it makes killer chicken wings in about 10 minutes. Update: number 2, it cooks even faster than the directions say. You have to keep an eye on your food. Why did it take me this long to try an air fryer? This is a genius product. Yeah, it is super easy to use, and it comes with some basic recipes, and you can find recipes online, and in books. Blah blah blah. Okay, so let's get to the good stuff. French fries. Better than McDonald's. Blasphemy, right? I grew up on McDonald's French fries. One of my first jobs was working at McDonald's. In fact, I have made it one of my life's purposes to recreate the magic of McDonald's French fries at home. The best results I have achieved so far are with a Presto Deep Fat Fryer. Pro tip: Always use peanut oil, unless you have allergies. Then I found this thing. No oil at all. I don't know how this does the trick, but you use no oil at all and you end up with fries that taste exactly like McDonald's but with something like 1/10 of the calories. This is great for anyone on a diet who has a Mickey D's craving. The trick is to shake the basket every 4 to 5 minutes. The machine is great, is actually a total improvement over cooking on a stove.